css parent child.html. css parent child.html. We can start from the HTML, follow the head section and use the style block. Open the body. Inside that, we will follow one UL tag and li tag. In li, ahref will come. We can write here call home. Next, customer or maybe user. Products. Technology. Register. Login. Okay, so menus are ready. Come down after the UL. Write a H3 or H2 li without UL. This 3-4 li you can copy from here and paste after this. Like li without UL means this li are without parent. For li, the parent tag is UL. For this bottom li, the parent tag is missing. Parent tag is missing. While writing CSS, how we can target to those element, those tag that is following the parents. Okay, that come into the CSS for parent and child tag. We'll write it. Example will come to know. It's easy only, not difficult. So all the LIs are going to new line or same line? Sequence. LI will go to the new line. So block level tag.
A new line. It's a black level tag.
Let me run this file as well. You can see all the tags are going to a new line because it is called block level tag. Block level tag. Okay. We have to write something so that it should go to the new line. 8 minutes. Hello? Yes, yes. Can hear. Go ahead. Oh, brother, go ahead. Say something. I can hear you. Hmm. Wait for some time. Some 10-15 minutes, some other person will call you. What's your name? Okay. You will get a call. 5 minute time. करके कुछ बोला है। Yeah, so let's come to the CSS now. You can see UL is the main of LI. E is the main of LI is the main of A. E tag is inside the LI. So you can say A is the child of LI. LI is the part of UL. So you can say LI is the child of UL. Okay, body is common for all. Now we want to write some CSS for A tag. Let's go. Write A. For A, put color as maybe green color and font hyphen size 20 pixel. And there is a property called text decoration. Text decoration is a none. Color green, font size 20 px, text decoration none. So in current page, wherever the A tag we have written, all the A tag will convert into green color. All the A tag will convert into green color. All the A tag will convert into green color. Is happen or not? happen, all the A tag converted into green color. But we want to apply the green color to a specific A tag, not all the A tag. So for that, what we'll do, if you want to apply a specific A tag, you can apply the ID, you can apply the class. That is one method. Another method, without ID and class, we can write here a li, a space a. So compiler will check in your current page where is the li. If li found, then it will check under the li tag, is there a tag. If a tag is there, then only apply this. So you will find in the top also we have many li, and in the bottom also we have many li, and all the li have which tag? A tag. That meaning still it is going to apply for all the A tag, because A we have follow under the li. Okay. For example, last two A tag move out from the li. Last two A tag move out from the li, and then check. So first last two tag remove from the li tag, but for that okay, remove. Now you see on the top you have written li of A. Which A? Not all the A. Only those A that is under the li. So where it will apply? It will apply for top all the li. Bottom also it will apply for the 4 li. Okay, for li and A. It will not apply for the last two. That is called register and login. Let me show you. Applying register login in which color? Blue color. Remaining all are in the green color. So what is happening? We are trying to inform to the compiler, this is the address. What is the address? In current file, find out the li. If you found the li, then go under the li and check if a tag is there. Then for that you apply this. So at this place, li becomes a parent and a becomes a child. But it is applying for multiple li. Let's apply one more level of parent. If I keep here called ul, space li. So now what will happen is ul space li. So how many ul? Whichever the ul, in current page, whichever the ul. So compiler, you are giving one address to your compiler saying like, in current page, find out the A tag. Which A tag? That should be under the li. And which li? That must be under the ul. Now it will not apply to all the li. Filter got applied. You have given an address saying like, in current file, look for the ul. If ul found, then inside ul, look for the li. If li found, then look inside the li. There should be tag called a. If a tag is exist, then for that apply this much property and now you see what will happen is it will not apply even bottom. It will apply only for the upper portion. Next come down. So how to write the CSS? Parent child, first main tag, then second tag, then third tag, then last tag. It can be n number of people. Let me come down now. UL and LI. So which LI? Not all LI. Only those LI that is available under the UL. So UL become the parent and LI become the child. Okay. Inside that, you are going to write call display in a line. All will come in one line. And for that, li also will have a padding of 20 pixel. Ready? Check now. All the LIs are coming in the same line. Only upper LI, not the bottom LI. Because condition is getting matched for the upper LI. LI is under the UL, then LI will convert into inline. Next, after that, E tag already have written, come down. Write the CSS for U tag. U tag, in current page, how many U tag you have UL, it will apply for all. Background, black color. Okay. And margin 0 pixel. No any gap from anywhere. No any gap. No even single pixel gap from any side. Okay. No any gap from any side. Okay. So check now. Background becomes a black color. Apply the padding inside the UL. 18 pixel padding nearly. Padding 180 px. Okay, hope ready. Background coming which color? Black color. Okay. So it is saying like CSS has applied for those A, those LI, those UL, which is following the complete rule. So you are writing the CSS for tag name only, but not all the tag name. Those tag name, that parent structure is like this. Those tag name, those LI, that is following the UL. So this becomes a CSS for a parent and child. Last becomes CSS by tag name. For a UL tag, you are writing the CSS. This method is not CSS by tag name. This is the CSS for tag only, but not all tag. Only those tag that is following the pattern. So LI, only those LI, their parent is UL. Then only it will get applied, else it will not get applied. Okay, next UL LIA. So those ULA, those A tag that is under the LI, and that LI that should be under the UL. Then only it will get applied. So we can copy this to block, and we can not only this much, it can be a class also, ID also, anything. Just a simple example. Come now. Display in line.
किसी का डिस्प्ले नहीं निकाल दिया
Display in line should be there, then only it will come in one line. Without,
I have done it.
you have not closed the LI. Home LI is not closed. You have a LI for home that is not closed. Check karo. So, we can check. Closed. UL LI, first LI where is the closed? Check once. First LI is not closed. No? LI I am talking. LI is not closed. LI tag is not closed. Home LI is not closed. Okay. Okay, so hope ready. Copy this two section and come to your developer guide, and we can make a note in the last block as a example. So which tag is the parent tag? UL inside li. Just add like this, become as a example that we can follow further when we require it according to that. Okay, hope ready. Now come create the next file. Next file you can create called template1.html. Next file template1.html. 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 In template1.html, we want you to do something like this. In template1.html, we want you to design something like this. A box like this, any height, any width, your wish. Any height, any width, black color. Okay, one more box, half width, and one more box, half width, as a red color and red color. Or maybe instead of red color, second one as a blue color. Possible? Right. Total how many division is required here? 3 division. All 3 look different. You can write ID for all, and you can write some CSS. Write karo. Right. Just to remember. Hope you are writing.
Yes, start writing.
Margin 1% everywhere. Width 48% in the bottom. Height you can give 200. Right, like Write something. At least create three division, give ID 1, 2, 3. Do something. Any height width is okay. Just design anything, no problem. Okay. 200 by 200. Give height 200 width 200. Okay. Background definition. Red and blue. One will be It's HTML. It's not HTML. We are going to do this together. With that. These two plus margin numbers. Okay, so something you tried. One person replied something, but it is not difficult, yeah. Okay, let's go. See, HTML open close, head also open close, style also open close. Next, after that, body will open close. How many division you need? 3. Keep a division. ID equal to give 1, ID equal to 2, ID equal to 3. Create 3 ID first. ID 1, ID 2, ID 3. Okay. Okay. 3 IDs ready. For first ID, you can see in the photo there is equal gap from all sides. So, how to create ID? Using hash 1. Okay, in one what we want, there should be gap from all the side equal margin 1%. Give some height 100 pixel. Give background black color. That's all. This much only we need to write. Hide some width no need to give because by default it's a full width. It's a division. It will cover the full width. You don't have to write any width manually. It will take by default full width. Okay. See, one division should work. Black color. Now we need 2 more division. For that we have written the ID 2 and 3. So write the CSS for hash 2. Under the hash 2, under the hash 2, we have to give margin 1%, margin 1%, width 48%, float left, height 300 pixel, background red color. The right one, this is for the first block. First block is ready. See, same thing if we repeat again. Same thing you copy and paste here. 3, background in color. Second block also will be ready. Same thing here. The only background different. Okay, hook working, something like this. Don't worry, we'll create multiple design. You will be aware of. Okay. Short left you have to give. Margin how much? Anything extra apart from margin? Apart from margin, anything else? Check the spelling. Okay, so go next. Not working. Next file, template 2. Template 2.html. Okay. HTML, we can open close. HTML head, style, body. Okay, now suppose we will create a division and we'll give class equal to block 1. Block 1. Block 2. Block 3. Block 4. In one line, we want to bring 4 blocks. What should be the width? First write the HTML, then you can answer the question. Hmm? Yes, 4 blocks in one line. Four blocks are written. Okay. Now what should be the width? If you want to bring 4 blocks in one line, how much? 25%? No doubt? No doubt, right? No, suppose without margin. If you want to create without margin, then what should be the width? 25%? Okay. Let's go write a class. Call block 1. Under the block 1, as per your instruction, I given the width as a 25%. Now, if I give the margin 1%, what should be the width? It should come in the chat. You can reply in the chat. If you give the margin 1%, what should be the width?
23%.
Okay, how we are calculating 23%?
It's 27%.
Uh,
Two-side margin.
1%, 1% and 1% from both left and right side.
Okay, 1% from left side, 1% from right side. 2% will go. Remaining will be 23. Correct. And then 23%. Then after that, we want to print in the same line. Let's give some height also. So division is a block level element. It will go to the where? New line. Now suppose height we are giving as a, suppose 200 pixel. Now width already mentioned. Background, let's also apply blue color. Width, margin, height, background, and then you want to print in the same line all. So what will follow for that? Will follow as a display in line. Then only it will come in one line. Definitely we need to follow the display inline. Display inline is not for the division. Display inline only for the li tag. Okay. Suppose you have two options now, display inline and float left. So float left you will use for those tags that will help you to print multi-line. Now paragraph used to display the multi-line. Division will help to display multi-line. Using section tag also we can display multi-line. But using li tag, people use always single line. Li, list item. Okay, it is for the single line. Okay, everywhere you can find people use to display the single line content. So for single line container, we will not use the float left. We will use the display inline. There we have option called display inline block. Okay, display colon inline block. So I will come on the display, have the four property, inline, none, and then flags also. Okay, so now you are following based on float. Float left. Four block appear. Check now. Four blocks should appear. Four block or three block? How many block in one line? Three. How three will come? Four has to come. Four will come. No? You are given the total margin equal, so it will not be three, it should be four. Margin 23%, not 25. And then sorry, width 23 and margin 1%. Display inline for those tags that used to print the single line content. Display inline for those tags that used to display the single line content. Now inside the division, how many line we can display? Not only single line, we can display multi-line. It's a big container. There you can display multiple line of content. So for div, you should not use the display inline. Then where to use the inline? Display inline, we should use for those tags that is made to display the single line content. Single line content, single line. Like when you go to the website, in the website you will see the menu, sub-menu will be there. That is how many line? Single line, no? When you click on services, multiple line will open. Each line will be single line. So that is what? For the single line content. So li is for what purpose? To display the single line content. So for li, we are not going to use the float left most of the time. You will be using as a display inline block. Okay. Now float left we will use where? For big tag, big container who can hold the multiple line content. For that paragraph you saw the multi-line text, division multi-line text, section tag multi-line text. Okay, then we have some more article multi-line text. There will not use the display inline. We'll use as a float left. Okay, so single line theory will remember display inline for those tags that used to print the single line content. This float left for those tags that used to display multi-line content. Okay, now let's see. So it's happening. Float left we have not written. Read this code again. No, read again. Semicolon are you missing? Pixel. No. Read the code. Read once from beginning to last. You read, can you find out the error? No. Read like it's a compiler, no? Read line by line. Each and every character you read what he has written. Each and every character you read what he has written. Working? Okay. For a single dot, you will struggle 1 week, then you will come to know how to find the error. Okay. So developer will not look into first line and last line. See, when you face the error, how I will fix the error. When I will look into your code, I will read line by line. Each and every character I read. Each and every character I read. Is there a spelling mistake, semicolon mistake, colon mistake, or some other thing you have written, capital small mistake? When you will come to know if you read character by character. If you read first line, last line like is a jumping scanner. First line scan and last line scan. You can't find the error. Okay, you have to read line by line. Then you will get the error. Okay. Patience is required while finding the error. Now come. Can you create the 3 division in the left bottom? That should display only 3 block in one line. I will just write the class. Class is a block 2, and block 2. It should be 5th number. It should be 6th number, and it should be 7th number. 5, 6, and 7. 5, 6, and 7. Display 3 block of this last. What is the class name? Block 2. It should display 3 block in one line. 4 block already over. Okay. Row number 2 start. In that display total how many blocks? How many division we are written here? 3 division. So these 3 divisions should come in one line. How this is covering the full width? The 4 block is covering full width. Now you have to create 3 block in one line. What will do? Try that.
Width equal to 31.33%.
Write it. Or all 3 blocks should be green color, or any color you can give because it's the same class. Class name is same, so you can display that. Yes, sir. How the 4 division is covering full width. Similar way, 3 divisions should cover the full width. You can share the code once in the chat, whoever have written. Only CSS code. Calendar. What is the width? Okay. 31.33%. Someone have sent the code. Let me see block 2. What is that? Page is working. Only we should not say the calculation part. Your page should work also. Okay, so it should be like this. Okay, now hope it is clear. Yes, most of the people are able to write. Now create the next block. There you are going to display the 6. Write the next row. Next row will be this one, block 3. Next row will be block 3. Block 3, block 3, block 3, 7, 8, 9, then 10. 10, 11, 12, 13. 11, 12, 13. So total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then class name is called block 3, block 3, block 3. Now write the CSS in black color, display 6 blocks in one line. In black color, display how many blocks? 6 blocks. But margin should be 2%. Margin should be how much? 2%. First you try based on 1%. Okay. First you display the 6 block based on 1%. If 1% is working, then you can change that and keep based on 2%.
Sir,
Tell me, sir.
for block 2, if we don't give float property. Hello.
Use float
Can you hear
left
me?
now. Without
Okay.
float left, you will get misled. You will get confused. Apart from float left, what other options are there? I will guide you. But now, based on float left, you try. Okay. So what is the width you are given? 1%. For 1%, 14.66. Okay. 246 block. Now in the last, create two block, half. Add one more row in the last two block, which should be half and half. 50% and 50%. Marching, anything you can give, you can create, you need to create two blocks. Created. Hope we got idea. Now I'll give you next idea based on flex. Flex. Okay. This is based on float. Everywhere you are written float. Next we'll create based on flex. You don't have to write float. Only you have to give the percent. See, in every block what you wrote. Float. Correct? Next example will be without float using flex. Okay. So, next example, template3.html. 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 Okay, Gangadhar, your page is working. You need to sit with him, no? Sit with anyone. Will do mistake, will guide you. Will do mistake, you can guide. Sit with the pair, 2% together. Okay, from tomorrow you can sit with him. Next insight is follow a division, right? Not division. Main keep as a section. Suppose two tag will come. Suppose division will come and then division will come. You need to create one main container and you need to create a child container. Both are the big size container. Main container will be section and the child container will be division. Okay. Division will be smaller than section. Okay. So section should be the main and this one should be the small. Hello sir. हाँ सर 11:30 को टीम इसमें थोड़ा गाइड कीजिए एनी डेस्क में पीटी है ना पीटी है टीडीएस है दोनों को पेमेंट करना और टीडीएस है 6 मंथ का 6 महीना का टीडीएस है हाँ तो वो तो आपको डेटा भेजना होगा कि हो जाएगा डायरेक्टली इसी तरह कर सकते हैं हम लोग हाँ ठीक है तो मैं आपको डेटा मंथ वाइज जो है मैं भेजता हूँ आपको ठीक है और उसके बाद ये क्या बोलते हैं 11:30 में थोड़ा किसी को बोलिए थोड़ा उसमें एनी टेस्ट में गाइड कर देगा ठीक है हेलो हाँ बोलिए बताइए हाँ बताइए हाँ हाँ ऑर्डर वाइज है पूरा ऑर्डर वाइज है पूरा नहीं इसी साल का है ना पूरा डेट वाइज 6 तो है 6 रिकॉर्ड है मात्र डेट वाइज भी है सब कुछ है उसमें एवरी मंथ 3000 का टीडीएस है हाँ मैं अभी कहाँ व्हाट्सएप में भेजूँ कि जीमेल में भेजूँ ठीक है जीमेल में एक्सेल अच्छा इसी तरह मैं एक नॉर्मल फाइल में भेज देता हूँ ना 6 रिकॉर्ड तो वही है अब नॉर्मल ओपन करके मिल जाएगा कौन सा ईमेल में बैट एग्जैक्ट वाला हाँ तो वही वही मैं व्हाट्सएप में 6 रिकॉर्ड तो है मंथ वाइज देख कर सकता हूँ अगर आप ठीक okay so hope ready now write a section tag the section tag will be the parent tag someone have asked one day what is the difference between section and division so section is the big container and division is a small container okay both are container only section will help you to divide the page section wise first row second row third row and in each row you can create multiple columns so multiple column you can create through the division and row you will create through the section okay now section we have written so per section we will write here okay under the section you write the div now div okay give class equal to class equal to maybe anything info repeat this 5-6 times Okay, how many info you added? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add n number of, no problem. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 I added. Now for info, write the CSS directly for info. Info background blue color, height 150 pixel, width 23%, margin 1%. Without float left, check where it is going. Okay, hope ready. So all are going to wear new line because division is the block level element. It will go to the new line. Now, who is the parent of the division? Section. For section, you write. For section, you write display colon flags. Display colon flags. All 7 came in one line. Getting something? Float left, we have not written. But this width is not working now. For me, you can see all has come in one line. 2, 4, 6, 7. All 7 came in one line. Let me find out the solution. Okay, we can add one more property here. Flex wrap, flex hyphen wrap. Huh? Section becomes a parent. So inside the section, whoever will come, all will come convert into inline automatically. Else, without flex, you have to write everywhere float left, float left. Wrap, flex wrap as a wrap, WRAP. Flux wrap as a wrap. So it will display total. Let me see how many are coming. 4 are coming now. Without wrap, what will happen? Total blocks. How many you have? It will not consider the width. It will not consider the width and margin. Okay, it all 7 will come in one line. If you add one property, which one? Flex wrap, colon wrap, then based on your width, it will get analyzed. So width 23% we are given. So 4 will come in one line. Remaining 4 will go to the new line. That is called as a flex wrap. Check करो आप. Without wrap, it will bring all in one line. If you give wrap, then it will consider your width. Default all will come in one line. Total all block will divide equally. So when you remove this flex wrap, what happened? What happened? Total how many division you have? All 7 division will come in a one column, one rows. All will come in one rows. The total width will get divided equally. Equally. All the 7 will get distributed equally. Flux wrap, once you add, then it will consider the width and margin. Okay. So how many methods we got to divide into 2 blocks? 2 methods. One is based on float. Another one is based on flags. Based on flags, we can create the menu also, but that next level. We'll create next file. Hope working or not working? Working. We can create one more template. Template 4.html, or instead of going to the other page, in the same page, but same page will become difficult. So copy the same content and paste in next page. So you will have 2 separate examples. Template 4.html. Template 4.html. You can take the copy of 3. Take the copy of 3. Okay, hope ready. Now in this file, before section tag, open the UL and close the UL. Inside the UL, we will keep the LI. We'll keep the LI. Keep their home, users, product, customer, technologies, and then services. Okay, next after that, where the LI will go? Same line or new line? LI will come under the, no, you can check now where it is going. Going to the new line. Definitely it will go to the new line because it's a block level tag. It is a block level tag, so it will go to the new line. See, it's going new line. See here. If you remember the division, for division have you written any float and all? Nothing, no? Now this is the UL. If you remember CSS by tag group, how we are written yesterday? Multiple tags separated by comma we added. LI is the block level tag, but who is the parent of LI? UL. For UL, if you apply the flags, display flags, what will happen? LI will come in the same line automatically. Go here. Put a comma, section comma, which one? UL. Section comma UL. We'll try to see whether UL is, all the LI is coming in the same line or not. For section also and for UL also, flags will be, display will be flags. Same line. Overlapping is the next matter. We have a solution for that. But without writing any display in line, it came in the same line. So suppose if float left give the problem, what we can use instead of float left? We can use the flex, right? People ask in interview, what is the difference between float left and flex? So here you have written the float left how many times in the previous example? Float left how many times you wrote? Multiple division, multiple times. Here for the division you have not written the flex, float left. For the parent of the division we apply the flex. Okay, attend some more classes. We'll get answer automatically. Come now. Now we'll write here for LI. For LI, dot 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 is coming. For LI, dot dot dot, you can see dot 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 is coming. You will write there. What you will write is for dot dot dot, you will write call list hyphen style hyphen type colon none. List style type none. It will remove the dots. List style type 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 remove the dots. Dot is removed. See, from the all the li, dot is removed. Now for li, you can give some certain padding, margin, it will work properly. Okay. So for li, apply the padding now to how much? Maybe 20 pixel. See, padding also apply the gap, but where? Inside or outside? Outside. Confidence is matter. Correct or not? We'll say where is the Karnataka? Sorry, where is the Bangalore? In Karnataka. Are you sure? No, sir. That meaning confidence is not there. Okay. No, be confident. Okay. If you say, oh, float, what you do, convert from block to inline. If you say, are you sure? Yes, 100% sure. You can give me the code, I will go show you. Or give me the system, I'll show you. Okay. If anyone say padding, then it apply the space inside. Are you sure? 100%. Give system, I'll write the code, I'll show you. Okay.
This one is not working actually in my system.
Which one is not working?
That UL and LI tag.
It's work here, no? You have written something wrong. Send your code in my chat, I will guide you. Don't run in a small device, run in the full screen. You need to run in the full screen. Send your code in the chat, I will guide you what is the problem. Info you should write not in the beginning. Info you write in the last. Okay. This is the code. If I copy and paste in my system, info, if I copy and paste here, see what will happen. It's happening, no? See here, it is your code only. This is your code only. It's running proper. It should run in the full screen.
Still not working. I don't know how.
Change the browser and then check.
Can you resend this code that I can copy paste it? Then I'll check.
This is your code only. This is your code only. I have replaced. Which browser you are using?
It's Google Chrome.
It's work for everyone. For other, it's working. You need to run in the full width. Don't run in the half screen. Then half screen, that may not work. It may go here there. Okay. Next, after that, for this UL tag, the UL we have written here, flags. Now for this UL tag, okay, background is the next matter. How to apply the background and all we can see. So what is happening now? You saw if you want to write for UL, UL we have to write some CSS, and for LI we have to write display inline. Then it will come one after other. But at this place, instead of writing under the display inline, what you follow is for UL you apply the display flags. Under the UL, whichever the block level tag will come, LI, all will convert into inline automatically. Okay. So flexibility, more property we have, we will see in the next class. I will show you some photo. I will design some photo. I'll show you as a homework. You can try it. Okay. So in CSS, hello sir. Hello. Yes, madam. Yeah. Today I asked him, no, someone other person has called. I told him 11:30 I will be connecting through any desk. PT and then advanced this one TDS and then AOS, OS, both all three I need to pay. 11:30 I asked. So shall we log in through any desk? Okay, give me 2 minutes. I will just call you back in 2 minutes. You can log in. Okay, so next after that, let me design you some photos and that you are going to do as a homework. See, we should try, okay? We should not live in between. Whichever is coming in mind, we should try it, okay? Now you got two idea, float left and flex. Based on both, you have to do R&D, okay? So suppose one division is here. This just I will design a structure, any color combination your wish, okay? Now after that, another block, another block. In this, there is no need of the float or float is required. Float is not required. Float is not required in this, right? Take photo quickly. This is the first homework. Okay, taken the photo. Let me save this. CSS. CSS task. One. Now next will be something in the same, but a small changes will happen. One block here, one more block here, two block, one more block here, and one more block here. These all are based on flex. We will try it, okay? You are going to try it. Going here, there, no problem, leave it, but try it. To photo. By evening, 5-6 more photo will come in the website. In the group, I will send you the URL. So for now, till evening, these two photo you can try. These two photo plus some more photos are already there that I will send you in your same. Save as. Oh, this becomes a 2.jpg. Save as I should do. Taken the photo? Taken. We'll see you tomorrow. Try this too by evening some more photos present. Will give you. Don't worry. There's a 400 question answer. You will become tired. Read some more. Will give you. Within 1 or 2 days, I'll give. Question answer are there. It is little unusual content is also there. So just I am filtering that out. Yeah, madam.